Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel work from home. First, identify the types of remote Excel tasks that align with your skills, such as data entry, analysis, or dashboard creation. Next, ensure your home setup is ready. You will need a reliable computer with a stable internet connection and a licensed version of Microsoft Excel. Finally, begin building a strong online presence to showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. This foundational work is crucial for your success. Finding remote Excel opportunities requires knowing where to look. Start by exploring major freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com, where many clients post Excel-related tasks daily. Additionally, leverage professional networking sites such as LinkedIn to connect with potential employers and industry peers. Consider reaching out directly to small businesses or startups that might need data management or analysis support, as they often have ongoing Excel needs. To stand out, you need a compelling portfolio. Create a collection of your best Excel work, demonstrating a range of skills from basic data entry to complex financial modeling. Include projects that highlight your ability to use pivot tables, VLOOKUP, and conditional formatting effectively. Consider obtaining certifications from Microsoft or other reputable institutions. These credentials can significantly boost your credibility and help you secure higher-paying remote Excel jobs. Achieving long-term success in remote Excel work involves several key practices. Always prioritize clear and timely communication with your clients, ensuring you understand their needs and deliver high-quality work on schedule. Stay current with Excel's evolving features and functions, perhaps by dedicating 30 minutes each week to learning new tips. Finally, research market rates and set your pricing competitively, aiming for a fair value for your specialized Excel expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.